All right, these are the TAILI level 2 needle stick, level 5 puncture resistant work gloves. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. First off, I realized that everyone's hand sizes are different. I'm a pretty big guy. Normally I wear extra large gloves with most makes. With these gloves, I used the chart that they provided and I chose a large. In retrospect, I should have sized down like they said to do. You know, I haven't worn a medium in years and I was having a hard time rationalizing that in my head, but that's okay. I'm going to be using these to protect my hands while working in the backyard, not to pick up super small nuts and bolts or anything like that. So that'll work. The gloves are super lightweight. They're easy to put on and take off. There's a Velcro adjuster strap here at the wrist that allows me to pull it pretty tight. The fabric on top is relatively thin. It is flexible and breathable. I'm not sure what the material is here on the palm, but it's soft to the touch. And there's a pad here for touch screens that actually works a lot better than I thought it would. The protective surface, or whatever you want to call it, is sewn inside the palm and it runs up the fingers. It has sort of a plasticky feel to it that takes some getting used to. I feel like after a couple of days of using them, they're definitely breaking in a little, or I'm just getting used to them, but they definitely feel better than the day they arrived, so that's good. You know, I'm not an expert on glove ratings, but I want to point out that the company says that the gloves are level 2 needle stick resistant, not absolutely needle proof. It says they are level 5 puncture resistant and level 2 cut resistant. Obviously not puncture proof. I'm hesitant to go, full out and make an effort to force a cut or a puncture in them. I did put them through the paces, situations that I may encounter while I'm working in my backyard. And I'm sure that if I deliberately tried to puncture these, I really tried hard, I could do it with some effort. But that said, I'm confident that they're definitely going to protect my hands, from the typical pointy things I run into while working out in the yard. As far as the dexterity goes, I wish that I had sized them down like they recommended. I don't think I'm going to have any trouble with larger nuts and bolts, screws, or with any of the normal things that I normally do around the house. So there you go. Lightweight, breathable work gloves that would be great for gardening, working around the house, or working around the shop. Very nice.